got it on the left.
Shot to the
right, didn't it?
Shot to the right.
No, it's on the left. He shot through it, man. I'm telling you. There's a hole on the left.
I see it. I see a
Really?
hole.
Look on the log line down to the left. Yeah, to the left.
It's right in the middle, too.
Midway up, there's a white spot. That's where it hit.
Wow.
I saw the bark
You
fly.
shot to the side of it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right on the side of it. That was under it. That went right under it.
Get you one of them jugs up there. Get you something out there a little bit.
To me, that doesn't feel comfortable how he is. I'm too big, like, to rest it on there.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm going downhill.
Are you wearing earplugs?
They're clear.
They look like hearing aids. That's bullet. I'm gonna go for the one laying down.
You shot it 4 times.
Oh well.
I got it.